Hi guys, this is part 2 of my So let's give guys. I think there's nothing in here. You see guys, nothing in there. Take some nectar. Add it in there. Take some water in here, but it has to be up. Pour it in here. Then shake it up. Let it look like yogurt. Like yogurt guys. And I don't eat yogurt most of the time. Well, sometimes. If the videos you guys want to like see me, I've been posting so much videos that I've been getting excited over and just editing. Don't know why. I also take this, not take the top and just drop it in here and become I don't know why I can't literally speak. Why am I shaking? And guys, if you wanna be wondering, like I must say it's a lot. Like she's only favorite me and Joker with I'm a son. He's my friend. No guys, I'm just gonna wash this in. Guys, and I'm done with that. I'm gonna apply some water on my face since I'm getting dry. I am dry. Oh my. My parents will leave us now because it's my room today. Am I right? Am I right? No. I'm just gonna mix this in, guys. Guys, I'm done. So practically that's it. And I'm gonna show you my secret ingredient. 10 chicken 18 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. That's all. You guys will see this is a bit more. I'm gonna see you guys will see this a bit more. Because I do listening for silly cars.